Back off!
Okay, okay. It works. It works. I'm here. This is the right place. But I have to be very careful here.
It's a very spooky place. I'm 100% sure that I'm in the right place. Hello?
I think I hear something. I think I hear something. I will go from another side.
What is this? What's happened here? Once again, anybody here? Well,
Somebody took a bite of my sandwich. I am a bridge right now. I'm becoming a bridge. Now I'm visioning I am a bridge right now between this and another world.
hello? Anybody here?
It's on the second floor. It's on the second floor.
Look at this.
It's a sign of humanoid. It's a humanoid science with a very powerful ghost. Very powerful. Who can harm this? This is most possible with a very powerful ghost. Ghost with stuck. Ghost who's stuck between two words. Okay, it's from above. It's from second floor. Okay. As I predicted, steps leads me to the second floor. Do you see? But they vanished. It's here, here. Look. It's vanished. Something inside the kayak.
Back off! So this is the abandoned tunnel. It's clear that it haven't been used for years. So if we see some kind of train, it will be like 120% this silver arrow train. It cannot be something else. It can be only ghost train here. It's very, very abandoned. It's a not nice feeling, actually. It's not nice feeling. Some kind of number here already, 255. I don't know what does that mean. Okay. It's very creepy here inside. It's one more candle. Somebody, I think, marked the way in order to find a way back. I've seen the map of this tunnel, and it's quite easy to lost yourself here. But I'm a professional ghost trapper. It should not happen to me. I have amazing memory, and I have a 3D map in my head, always. So it's here. You see? Maybe somebody lost the track. Yeah. It's sound is very weak, is very, very weak. So I have to use my infrared application. Maybe it will indicate something. Here we go. I see something. I see something. Hello? I see something. Shit. Over there. There's something here. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit shaky right now. It's very... Now I put my sound gear again. And it's indicate again. It's indicate again some strange sound over there. See? Guys, it's so creepy. have all my arms empty right now. Because anything can happen here. Anything can happen now. Something moving there. I cannot see it clearly, but well, silver train. Somewhere behind of this walls, one of the biggest cemetery in this city, and many think that those two some kind of interconnected. Some said that silver train bring lost souls from and in cemetery, and I hope that I will be one of them. It's a turn here to the left. And you can hear right now the sounds, but I think that those sounds, new sounds, belong to water. It's water dropping somewhere. But I'm not 100% sure. We will see. We will see. We will see. It's getting cold here. It's getting very, very cold here. And it's very, very unusual feeling, even for me, for professional ghost trapper. It feels like I'm going deeper and deeper. I start to see something again. Some of my colleagues ask me why I'm using such a small lamps in my investigation, because I don't want to have too much attention to what I'm doing. It's already too much. Okay. Now I clearly hear and see something. See it clearly. Hear something, some silhouette. I don't know, is it a train or this is a house? Or this end of tunnel, I don't know. I tried to get on my infrared camera and I'm not sure what I see here. Look! Look! Something. Fucking run! It's coming! It's coming! Coming. This is the end. It's safe. Have you seen it? Today I'm on a bit different adventure. Not as usual. This will be much more sensitive and I think strong. Yes. I will show you an interesting gravestone and tell you a story, and hopefully something unusual happened today, because today it's All Saints Day, and I've seen plenty of reports about this gravestone and events which took place. It's over there. Oh, great, great, I found it. It's exactly the same gravestone as I have on the picture. So if it's here, it's here. It cannot be some other place. Yeah, it's a tough feeling, you know. It's a bit different story. Well, I bring some presents here, and I will tell you guys this story. The story is very sad, and my feelings are natural. On such occasion. Yeah, how this story goes. An industrialist died for more than 100 years ago, and he was a widower and had only one daughter. She was 11 years old, and when he died, she visited this place every day for 2 years, and then she suddenly disappeared. Nobody found her and then. But then, one time in a year, very strange things happened here. So I'm here exactly on this day, on All Saints Day, and I will try to communicate with this graveyard and with this girl, because people seen here silhouettes and sign of a young girl. So I bring some presents to her. it's on. So once again, I'm getting a bit nervous actually. Everyone who lost the loved one know this feeling. So if you want to tell the world, if you want to tell about your disappearance or about your feelings, about anything, I'm here, I can be your mediator. So it's a great pleasure for me actually to be here and to tell your story to the world. Sorry, I start to hear something. Is it you or just wind here? Can you repeat it? I have great respect for your suffering, so you don't have to be offended at my appearance. I have great respect to your love. Oh, it's such a sad feeling. Oh God. I feel so much inside of me. Many people scared of graveyards. I never been scared of them. It's a place where I always have had mixed feeling, and now I think I never been feel this sad as right now. It's a story, and I think I can feel the pain of the man, of a little girl, and I think she's here. If you want to something, just ask me. I will do my best. Look. It's tear. Look. Oh my God. It's so rich feeling right now that you allowed me to communicate with you on a spiritual way.